Ahoy mates! We're back. After several years being on Molokai, we've just made it back to Oahu. I was able to connect with Skip, my sailing mentor, and we had a great day on Valentine's Day. We saw whales, saw dolphins, we had rainbows and double rainbows, it had great speed and great conditions. So here's the video. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Adventure? Right down the pipe, huh? Hope. I'll go. You got it. Ready, ready. Oh yeah, it goes up easy nowadays. Looks like you're kind of full. What do you think? Oh yeah, you got the gear. Ready on the sheet. There you are. Pull in hard. Pull it in hard. Yeah, good workout on this boat. Feels good to be on the old girl. Beauty. They are right here. It literally is right there.
Oh, it is.
That's how this boat likes to ride. It's going right over and washing out the scuppers. As a stable boat, actually, your worst danger would be busting off the rudders. And that's probably never gonna happen, really. I don't know.
No, I don't think
That takes a lot of force.
For a haul out or two ago.
That thing's a barn door, and it's on there with some big ass hardware. This boat is beautiful out of the water. I have pictures of it.
Same age I'm at.
Is it?
Oh, it's
Are you?
old.
Yeah.
How old are you? 73? 1940.
Ready, spaghetti. I think it's a good line. Yeah, 12 o'clock. Vanessa.
Yeah. Should be, I'm just not tall enough. Yep, I'm there, Skipper. How's his driving? Am I gonna be able to walk out the door or do I gotta jump? Come on. I thought no jumping was the rule. See, he's good. You have to drop me off on the side type shit going on. You're gonna rub it.
Rub it.
It'll be all right though.
Okay.
It's all good. Like a glove.
They're not. I'm not to the knot yet. No, they're not.
No yelling.